Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
IMOTECHOM 12 pieces woodworking wood carving tools chisels set with walnut handle, wooden storage case. Sharpened chisel heads, accurately pre-sharpened by machine for all chisels. Blade 60 Chrome-Vanadium blades outlast high carbon steel and will give you years of use. Handle, walnut wooden handle is harder and comfortable for using. Wooden box, enhanced all parts includes double layer panels, enlarged structure, thickened hinge, packaging in mailbox with EAP protection to keep the turning tools and case in good condition. Contents 4x straight gouge, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, 5/8 inch, 1 inch, 2x straight chisel, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 2x V straight parting, 5/8 inch, 9/16 inch, 1x spoon gouge, 3/4 inch, 1x bent gouge, 3/4 inch, 1x curved gouge, 1/2 inch, 1x skew chisel, 1/2 inch. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.